Okay, quickly today we'll be looking at the figures of speech in Igbo language. Nkejiasusu Igbo, parts of speech. Okay, as we all know, parts of speech in English language, they are the classes of words according to the ideas they express and how they are being identified. That is in English language. We have noun, we have pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, and so many of it. Now in Igbo language, you might want to ask, what is this part of speech in Igbo language? Okay, parts of speech, that is Nkejiasusu bụ parts of speech n'asụsụ Bekee. Ọ bụ mkpụrụ okwu ndị na-enyere ahịrịokwu aka nke na-arụ ọrụ dị iche iche n'ime ahịrịokwu iji mee ka nghọta ya zuo oke ma kwụrụ chịm. It is the same, almost the same thing with the definition in English. This Nkejiasusu anyị na-ekwu okwu ya, they are the master planner when it comes to sentences. A sentence cannot give a perfect meaning. It cannot pass a good message. In fact, it cannot even hold water without this Nkejiasusu. When we are talking about this Nkejiasusu, we have something like Anyị gara ahịa. We went to the market. Anyị gara ahịa. Anyị there, as we all know, stands for we. Gara means went. Ahịa means market. So, in this example, the anyị na nnochiaha or ọ na-arụ ọrụ dịka nnochiaha. Ọ na-arụ ọrụ dịka nnochiaha, that is pronoun. Gara stands or ọ na-arụ ọrụ dịka ngwaa. Ebe aha ahịa na-arụ ọrụ dịka aha ma ọ gị kpọọ ya Mkpoaha. Abịa n'ime Nkejiasusu anyị na-ekwu okwu ya, in this part of speech we're talking about, we have so many examples of it in the Igbo language, just the same way it is in the English language. Now we have something like Mkpoaha. When you're talking about this Mkpoaha, what you simply mean is noun. We will go into details of all those types or kinds. Okay, when you're talking about this Mkpoaha, you're talking about noun. We also have nnochiaha. Talking about this nnochiaha, you are talking about pronouns. Nnochiaha, pronouns. Remember that I told you that Mkpoaha stands for noun. Nnochiaha stands for pronoun. We have ngwaa. Ngwaa means verb. We also have Mbuuzo. Mbuuzo here means preposition. We have Nkwowaha. Nkwowaha. This Nkwowaha stands for adverb. We have Nkwowaha, stands for adjective. We have Njiko, stands for conjunction. We have Ntimkpu, these are exclamation marks. We also have mgbakwunye, which stands for affixes. We have Onuogugu, which stands for numericals. Calm down, chill. We will look into all this one after the other. But today we'll be looking at Mkpoaha, which is the number one in our list. Mkpoaha, noun. No, but like if you should wake anybody up and ask them what is a noun, yeah, we'll say a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. Yeah, that is very correct. And in Igbo language, that is what it is. Mkpoaha bụ aha ihe, aha mmadụ, aha obodo, aha anụmanụ. Ọ bụ aha eji mara ihe. Aha eji mara ihe bụ ihe a na-akpọ gịnị? Mkpoaha. When you're talking about this Mkpoaha, it means any name, anything that is being placed on a thing, that is being put on a thing, whereby once you mention that thing, everybody knows what you're talking about. That is what we call Mkpoaha. Now, Mkpoaha. Now, we have example: Uchenna, Echezona, Alokam, Ngozi, Nkiru, Ifeanyi, Madabuchi, Chioma. That is aha mmadụ. Now talking about aha obodo, we have Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, Abakeleke, Mmọnwụ. Dig easy. When you're talking about aha ihe, you have oche, tebụlụ, ụgbọelu, ụgbọala, osikapa. That's when you're talking about name like food. When you're talking about food, we have osikapa, agwa, dig easy. These are few or some of the examples of this Mkpoaha, of this noun. When you're talking about this noun, there are divisions, like there are levels to these things. Remember that all this we are not talking about is the Mkpoaha, that's the noun. There are levels to this noun.